I've been seeing a lot about this game, Animal Crossing. Have you guys heard of it? Is it any good? I don't know if I should play it or not. I don't think it's my destiny to play Animal Crossing. Hey guys, this is Mike with The Digital Life, and my goal on this channel is to help you find the right phone, case, and face to fit your life and style. And today we're going to be talking about a screen protector that is going to be really good on the iPhone SE. So let's get to how to put that on and the goods and bads of buying the cheaper version of Whitestone Dome's glass screen protector for the iPhone SE. So today we have the iPhone 7 and 8 version of Whitestone Dome glass. I'm showing you here on the package that there's a light that comes in it, and there's something interesting about this box. There's really no way to get into this box without tearing it open. So I've looked all over, and every single part of this box is glued shut. So there's no way to get in. All right, so eventually I'm going to just have to take it out a frame for a second and tear the box open. But this is the old style box right here. It kind of, when I'm opening this box, I feel like I'm opening up a time capsule, really, because I feel like this box is most likely it's what was left over from the stock when the iPhone 7 came out. Maybe a little bit into the, maybe a year into after the production of iPhone 7, they were still making these. So it might be not as old as I think it is, but it's pretty old. And there, right there, that light is one of the older versions of the lights. It comes with a USB cable. And if you guys, everything's pretty much the same, but there's a couple of things that are gonna be different. Dust removers, you guys might or might not. So there's the old light right there, and then there's a newer light that I'm showing next to each other. In every box you get 2 vials of glue, of the Loca glue. So these are going to be the older version of the Loca glue as well. But keep in mind that when you buy this screen protector, it's going to be $10 on Amazon. And I'll share a link down below for you guys so you guys can have a link to that. You might want to go fast. Go check it out fast because they're going to probably sell out fast. Right now, I'm cleaning the screen really well. You want to go edge to edge. You might as well get it as clean as you can. Get as much as that dirt, grease, whatever's on it, off. All right. So I'm putting the tray on. Make sure that you guys take a Loca glue container out before you put that tray on there. You notice the bridge is actually the same color as the plastic, instead of being black like it usually was, or usually is, or the new ones are. I'm taking that little, the insert out right there because I'm looking for something very important, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right here. All right, so if you've installed the brand new version of Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors, there's a little plastic piece that goes over, like a little sticker that goes over the speaker. This one doesn't have it. So I said, wait a minute, I'm forgetting this. So you could probably guess. I'll give you a second to guess why you probably need a sticker to go over the speaker. Yep, you guessed it. You don't want glue going in there, right? I couldn't find it, and this is what scared me. So I almost didn't put it on. I almost didn't install the screen protector. And this is why I wanted to show you guys this video. I showed you guys, let's go ahead and keep on going. I showed you guys this video. I talked about this before, and I want to make sure that I tell you guys about this part of it right here because it's kind of important for you to know if you're going to be doing this. Because I don't want you guys to feel like you're going to mess up your phone or even have the chance of messing it up. All right, so when you put that vial on there, make sure that when you open it up, it drains all the way out. Get all the adhesive that you can. All right, so peeled off the adhesive, little plastic film there. All right, so yep, you lay it on there, and there's 2 little arrows that you're gonna want the adhesive to go down to, and then you can pull the insert there, okay? My table is actually tilted, so I have to tilt it back myself. I'm having to hold it up. I didn't realize that my table was that tilted. All right, so right now you need to wait about 80 seconds for all the adhesive to spread over the surface of your screen. And that's what we're doing right here. Be patient with it. And the problem is, here's the second thing. Here's the second thing that's going on right now. I'm pausing it. You'll notice that there's no bumpers on the sides. There's supposed to be bumpers Let's see how can I do this? Well, you can't see my finger, but there's supposed to be bumpers on each left and right side of your screen. That's what the newer versions have. This is one of the older versions, so it doesn't have that. I was worried about this, and it did pretty much do exactly what I thought it was going to do. It runs right off the sides. And you'll see what happens to the adhesive here in a second when I take it all apart. Okay, I'm just zooming in a little bit so you can see what it was like. Couldn't really see, it wasn't a good shot, not enough lighting really. I'll do better on that next time. But right now I'm doing 15 seconds on the bottom, 15 seconds on the top, and this is just to set the adhesive so that way I can do this part and take it out of the tray. All right, so as I take it out of the tray, I'm trying to be careful, and you can see right here it's gonna stick. Yep, it's stuck to the bottom of the tray there, and sure enough, there's adhesive on the bottom of the phone, okay? So that adhesive right there had a good chance, I'm pausing it again, had a good chance of going into the volume rocker, okay? So I don't know if it would actually do anything if it did go inside the volume rocker there, or even the mute switch, or even the SIM card tray. On either side, that would have been a bad thing. So be careful with that. If you're going to buy this, make sure that when you do this, the adhesive is going to drain off the sides to where it's low enough, far enough down past the volume rocker, and then pull that adhesive, because you might be taking a chance of this getting into your volume rocker. So yeah, go ahead and clean it off. I used the alcohol wipes that they provided in the box. By the way, you can buy these alcohol swabs right now in a big old box, like not a big old box, but a big box of them on their website, Whitestone Dome Glass website, along with face masks, hand sanitizer. Yeah, I went ahead and wiped everything down. Right here, you're going to put the light on there for a minute on the bottom, minute on the top, or vice versa. Cleaning it all off right here. And they also are selling a tea. So remember to power off your device before you do all this. Right here, I'm gonna pause it. All right, so I'm trying to show you guys right here, it's a little blurry, but I'm trying to show you guys that I was worried about this, right? And I didn't really have to be, because this adhesive pretty much followed the curvature of the glass and the way it flows around. The glass goes all the way around the speaker. It followed wherever the glass was laying. So I guess that's a part of Whitestone Dome Glass's engineering. They knew they didn't have to worry about that. So it actually worked out in their favor, in my favor as well, and everybody else's. So nothing to worry about as far as that goes. So we're good. And so yeah, on their website, they're selling tea. And so hand sanitizer, face masks, you can get a box of the wipes, swabs. Here's a case test right here. I'm gonna show you guys the screen protector and how close it goes to the Spigen case. It's right on the edge. And I actually think that the sides of the phone are actually touching the glass, because it did lift it a little bit. That was the installation, guys. All right, so let me go ahead and move over here a little bit. All right, so they're having a 25% off. Whitestone Dome used to have a game that you can play on their website, and you can get a discount, so 15%. And then they got it down. Somebody told me about this, and they got 50% off of one of their purchases. And they said they spent $35 on a $60 or $70 purchase. So that's pretty good. But right now they're doing a 25% off store-wide. So that's actually really good. Right now is a good time to buy. And you can get the newer version of Whitestone Dome Glass for the iPhone SE2 right now. There's Marquez Brownlee. Of course, they have him right up on the front page. He's a cool dude. He started when he was a kid. But all that aside, here's all of their face masks, hand sanitizer, swabs. So yeah, really cool. They have that. And but yeah, the iPhone SE pre-order now. So I guess it's not available yet. You have to pre-order it. All right, so for the Whitestone Dome Glass part of it anyways, and you can save 25% on that as well. So good deal on that. So yeah, for me, it was kind of a scary installation, but we did it. And I did what I came to do. I came to help you guys figure out which screen protector to buy. You could pre-order the new one that's coming out. You could get the one for $10 on Amazon right now. I don't know how long that's gonna last, of course, like I said before, but at least it's there for you, hopefully now. This has been Mike with The Digital Life. Thank you for letting me help guide you through this digital world. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Click the little bell icon to the right of the subscribe button. You'll be notified for all my future videos that come out just like this one in the future. All right guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.